Okay, Bridget, let's talk about the topic of the day. Let me put my jacket on so it looks better.
All right, topic of the day today is Botox and pregnancy.
Yeah, and a shout out to our new mother out there, Rachel, who is...
Oh, okay. Is that who asked this?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. How do I look?
Great. I'm
You
loving the
didn't even
multi.
look at me. She
I
didn't
did.
look at me.
I actually noted the multicolored ID badge.
Yeah.
But
So Botox. So, is there any evidence that Botox causes birth defects or causes problems getting pregnant? Or-
evidence? No.
And is there any good rationale?
What do you mean?
Like, is there a scientific reason you can think of that would be
I think
a
they
concern?
did do it on mice, but nothing on humans.
Yeah, there's not a good reason to be concerned about it, or about giving Botox to a woman who's nursing. In practice, nobody does it
Yeah.
because there's not a good study that looks at a large enough number of women either nursing or pregnant or trying to get pregnant to say, oh yes, this is equivalent to nothing. So
Right.
so most prudent practitioners won't do it, and the advice would be to not do it.
Correct.
Depending on your relationship with your practitioner, with your injector, you might find somebody who's willing to do it for you, especially if you have a good relationship and long-standing history. And I would never condemn somebody for doing it because
Doing it during pregnancy or doing it during breastfeeding?
either one.
Okay.
Either one. I would point out that kind of unrelated, but the reason that you don't let a small child sit out in the backyard and eat a little dirt or eat honey is
Right.
because there can be a small amount of Botox botulinum toxin in the earth and in honey, and that can cause muscular weakness in a baby I call it floppy baby
I
syndrome.
think that's what it is in the textbooks.
Floppy baby?
I think. Don't quote me on that.
Okay, so now that's Botox and pregnancy.
Yes.
Next we'll do injectables. Why do I have all these colors? And then my extras on the back.
Do you know what
Don't
the color is
tell
today?
the people at the
what's
hospital that the
Green?
color today is green, and I got you an extra one.
You shouldn't be doing this.
Okay, but don't tell the administration at the hospital that do you put your license plate stickers on like that too? So neatly.
Yes. Yes, of course. How do you do it?
I don't do it. Okay, hope that you enjoyed that, and Rachel, I hope you're having a good time out there, and all the women trying to get pregnant and trying to be a good mother.
We're here for you.
My support.